When you have a lot of people to drive around, you need a lot of space. And you also need everything to be easy. That's why the first ever IONIQ 9 gives you seating for up to 6 or 7 passengers, depending on the trim, as well as some incredibly thoughtful features, like the one-touch walk-in second-row captain's chairs, found on our upper trims starting with the all-wheel drive Performance Limited. With just the touch of a button, the captain's chair slides and falls forward, leading to easy access to the third row. Plus, whenever you need more cargo space, the available power folding second and third row seats fold flat at the push of a button. Expanding from 21.9 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row, all the way up to 86.9 cubic feet of cargo space with the second and third row seats folded flat. And since IONIQ 9 is all electric, it has motors at one or both axles instead of an engine and drive shaft, which means our designers were able to give it a fully flat floor that extends all the way to the third row. This really helps maximize interior space, translating to just over 163 cubic feet of passenger volume. So that's the thoughtful and spacious IONIQ 9. This 3-row EV really has everything, including an incredible amount of comfort and plenty of space for you and up to 6 additional passengers. You really have to check it out for yourself. I never want to leave. I really like it in here.